Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something that can literally change your financial future: credit. If you're a young adult or about to graduate high school, this is for you. Credit is more than just a way to get a car, a house, or a credit card. It's a financial tool that, when used wisely, can help you get ahead in life. Many people misunderstand credit and either avoid it entirely or misuse it, which can lead to financial struggles. So let's break it down. What is credit? How can you build it? And what are the do's and don'ts to make sure you're using it to your advantage? Let's get into it. What is credit and why is it important? Credit is your financial reputation. It's a score that tells lenders, landlords, and even employers how responsible you are with borrowed money. Your credit score is based on how well you manage debt and payments, and a high score can open doors for you. Without a good credit history, getting approved for loans, credit cards, and even some jobs can be much more difficult. A poor credit score can cost you thousands of dollars over time in higher interest rates and fees. Beyond buying a house or a car, credit can help you. Get lower interest rates on loans, saving you money in the long run. Qualify for business funding to start or expand your own company. Rent an apartment more easily, as landlords check credit before approving tenants. Get better insurance rates, since insurers consider credit when determining premiums. Even land a job, as some employers check credit history to assess financial responsibility. Access emergency funds when needed without paying excessive interest. Take advantage of financial opportunities like investment loans and rewards programs. Simply put, good credit makes life easier and more affordable. The earlier you start building it, the better. Establishing good habits early will put you ahead of the game when it comes to major life decisions, such as purchasing a home or starting a business. How to start building credit. If you're just starting out, here's how you can build credit from scratch. Open a starter credit card. Look for a student credit card or a secured credit card. A student credit card is designed for young adults with little to no credit history, while a secured card requires a cash deposit as collateral. Use the card responsibly and pay it off in full every month to establish a positive credit history. Never carry a balance unless absolutely necessary. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their card. You'll benefit from their positive credit history, and it can help build your score faster. However, ensure they are financially responsible, because any missed payments on their end could hurt your credit as well. Get a credit builder loan. These are small loans designed to help you establish credit. The lender holds the money in an account while you make fixed payments. Once it's paid off, you get your money back, and the positive payment history boosts your score. Many local banks and credit unions offer these loans. Pay bills on time. Some services, like rent and utilities, can be reported to credit bureaus. Always pay on time to avoid negative marks. Late payments can drop your score significantly and stay on your record for years. Use a credit boosting service. Some services can add your phone and utility payments to your credit history to give you a boost. These can be particularly useful for those with limited or no credit history, as they provide additional positive reporting. Keep credit utilization low. Just having a credit card isn't enough. You need to manage it wisely. Try to use less than 30% of your available credit limit, but under 10% is even better for maintaining a high score. Build a mix of credit. Lenders like to see that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. Having both installment loans, such as car loans or mortgages, and revolving credit, such as credit cards, can help improve your credit score over time. Using credit to get ahead. Credit isn't just about borrowing money. It's about leveraging financial power. Here's how you can use credit to skip the line and get ahead. Business owners. Instead of saving for years to start a business, you can use business credit to get funding and launch sooner. Business credit can also help with cash flow management and securing large contracts. Travel perks. Many credit cards offer rewards, free flights, and cash back just for using them responsibly. Taking advantage of these benefits can save you thousands on travel expenses. Investment opportunities. A strong credit score can help you qualify for loans to invest in real estate or other profitable ventures. Many successful investors use credit strategically to build wealth. Emergencies. Having a credit line available can be a lifesaver when unexpected expenses hit. Instead of scrambling for cash, you'll have a financial safety net in place. Big purchases. Financing large purchases with low interest credit can be more manageable than depleting your savings. However, it's essential to have a repayment plan in place. The importance of keeping your credit clean. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It takes time to build but can drop quickly if you're not careful. Keeping your credit clean means paying all bills on time, every time. Keeping your credit utilization low, stay under 30% of your limit. Not applying for too many credit accounts at once. Avoiding collections and late payments. Regularly monitoring your credit report for errors or fraud. Using credit wisely and not relying on it for everyday expenses. How to recover from bad credit. If you've made mistakes in the past and have bad credit, don't worry. There's a way to fix it. Here's what you can do. Pay down debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, then tackle smaller ones. Negotiate with creditors. Sometimes, lenders will agree to a payment plan or even reduce your balance if you reach out. Dispute errors. Check your credit report for mistakes and dispute any inaccuracies. Become an authorized user. Being added to someone else's account with good credit can help rebuild your own score. Use a secured credit card. These cards require a deposit but can help rebuild your credit with responsible use. Why you should never co-sign for anyone. This is a big one. Co-signing means you take full responsibility for someone else's debt if they don't pay. It can ruin your credit if they miss payments, and lenders won't care that it wasn't your fault. If someone asks you to co-sign, just say no. It's not worth the risk. Co-signing is one of the leading causes of damaged credit scores, and many well-meaning people end up in financial trouble because of it. What are trad lines? Trad lines are credit accounts that appear on your credit report. Adding positive trad lines, like being an authorized user on a well-managed credit card, can boost your score fast. However, buying trad lines from third parties can be risky, so be cautious. Many companies sell trad lines as a way to artificially boost scores, but this is a gray area that some lenders frown upon. Good credit habits to follow. Pay your bills on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. Keep your credit utilization low. Stay under 30% of your credit limit, but under 10% is even better. Check your credit report regularly. Mistakes happen. Get a free credit report from sites like annualcreditreport.com. Limit hard inquiries. Too many applications for credit in a short time can hurt your score. Keep old accounts open. The longer your credit history, the better. Even if you don't use an old card, keeping it open helps. Credit mistakes to avoid. Missing payments. This can drop your score fast and stay on your report for years. Maxing out your cards. Using all your available credit makes you look risky to lenders. Closing old accounts. This shortens your credit history and can hurt your score. Applying for too many cards at once. Each application triggers a hard inquiry, which lowers your score. Ignoring your credit report. Fraud and errors can ruin your score if you don't catch them early. Credit is a powerful tool. If you use it wisely, it can open doors and create opportunities. Start early, build responsibly, and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're looking to get a car, start a business, or just make life easier, good credit will help you get there. The key is discipline and financial literacy. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.